the best daily routine to learn English fast. Learning English quickly is possible with the right routine. Matthew, a 28-year-old from Italy, always dreamed of speaking English fluently. He wanted to travel, make international friends, and get a better job. But for years, he struggled with learning English. He often felt frustrated and unmotivated. One day, he decided to change his approach. Instead of random study sessions, he created a strong daily routine. Within a few months, he saw incredible progress. This is his story. Morning routine. Start the day with English. Matthew wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Before getting out of bed, he listens to a short English podcast. He chooses something easy to understand, so he doesn't get frustrated. While brushing his teeth and making breakfast, he plays English music. Sometimes, he sings along to practice pronunciation. At 7 a.m., he sits at his table with a cup of coffee. He spends 20 minutes reading an article or a short story in English. Instead of translating every word, he tries to guess the meaning from context. He underlines new words and writes them in a notebook. After reading, Matthew practices speaking. He looks in the mirror and talks about his plans for the day in English. For example, he says, "Today, I will go to work. I need to finish my project. In the evening, I will cook dinner." This simple habit helps him think in English. Commuting time. Using every moment wisely. Matthew takes the bus to work. Instead of scrolling on his phone, he listens to an audiobook in English. Sometimes, he repeats sentences quietly to improve his pronunciation. If he doesn't understand something, he doesn't stop. He keeps listening and tries to understand from the context. On some days, he watches a short English video with subtitles. He focuses on how native speakers pronounce words and form sentences. This helps him improve his listening skills. During work, small language exercises. Matthew works in a multinational company. During his lunch break, he chats with an English-speaking colleague. He doesn't worry about making mistakes. He knows that speaking is the best way to improve. If he eats lunch alone, he reviews the new words from his morning reading. He makes sentences with them and repeats them in his head. He also practices writing by sending a short message in English to an online friend. Afternoon learning, fun and interactive practice. After work, Matthew takes a break, but he still finds ways to include English in his routine. He watches a TV show in English. At first, he used subtitles in his native language. But now, he uses English subtitles or no subtitles at all. If he doesn't understand something, he doesn't stop the video. He keeps watching and tries to guess the meaning. Matthew also likes to play online word games in English. This makes learning fun and helps him remember new vocabulary. Evening routine, deep learning, and speaking practice. At 7:30 p.m., Matthew spends 30 minutes on focused English practice. He picks a topic and records himself speaking about it. Then, he listens to his own recording and notices his mistakes. He repeats the sentences until they sound more natural. He also joins an online English conversation group. Talking with others helps him gain confidence. He learns new phrases and expressions that native speakers use. Before bed, he writes a short journal entry in English. He writes about his day, his thoughts, and his goals. This improves his writing skills and helps him think directly in English. Weekend bonus, immersion days. On weekends, Matthew has more time to practice. He chooses one day for full English immersion. He pretends he is in an English-speaking country. He watches movies in English, reads books, and even thinks in English all day. This deep practice boosts his fluency. He also likes to talk with native speakers online. He uses language exchange apps to find partners who want to learn his language. In return, they help him practice English. The results: a huge transformation. After 6 months of following this routine, Matthew's English improved dramatically. He could understand native speakers better, speak more confidently, and write without translating in his head. His friends and colleagues noticed his progress. He felt more confident and excited about learning. Final thoughts: create your own routine. Matthew's story shows that a strong daily routine makes a big difference. You don't need to study all day. Just a few minutes of smart practice every day will help you improve. The key is consistency and using English in different ways. If you want to learn English fast, try creating your own daily routine. Use the time you already have, like commuting or lunch breaks. Make learning fun with music, movies, and conversations. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just keep going. Are you ready to build your own routine? Start today and see how fast you improve. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more content for English learners like you. See you in the next video.